had to put a gas truck, right?
I think so.
God, I wonder if the driver got out.
Yeah.
Did he?
Completely on fire. They got him in there.
Oh, really?
He's going like.
He was burning?
He's 100%.
You saw the whole thing, huh?
I was in the car right in front of the damn truck, man. I'm freaking out. All I could feel was heat on the back of my head, and I'm like, what the fuck? And all I could see was fire, and I'm like, what the fuck? I hit somebody trying to. My car's. I just pulled it. I knew it was a gas truck because I passed him up. I passed him up before the bridge.
Which way is he headed? North?
North. Man, I'm shaking.
I bet. Talk about being a little too close for comfort, huh?
I could feel the heat before I could see it.
You were ahead of him?
And all I could see, I was the car right in front of him. And all I could feel was heat. I'm like, what the fuck? And I jumped, and I look up in my rearview mirror, and it was 100% flame.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, he's in the ambulance right now. This is one guy right here. And the other guy is in the truck, and he was on fire head to toe. He rolled across the highway. These guys over here came out with the fire extinguisher and put him out.
So was it only one vehicle, just this?
Yep. God, I'm freaking.
Oh my God, yeah.
I wonder if his insurance is going to cover this.
It was a gas truck.
Oh man, he is toast. Oh my God. Nuts.
Well, somebody should help the guy. He's in great shape.
Well, they got ambulance there.
Is that his arm's all bleeding?
Yeah, they got another ambulance.
Oh my God.
I wouldn't be surprised if that guy didn't make it, man.
Was it covered? He was all burned?
Head to toe, and they could not get the flames out on it.
Oh my God.
And when he came out, I don't know, all of his clothes were off of him.
Mhm.
That truck, look how fast that thing is burnt.
Look how much smoke there is.
I guess it's fire. You can't really do much about it, can you? You just gotta let it burn out. Yeah.
I'm not even going to be able to get back across the bridge.
No, yeah.
Where is everybody? What? How come there's nobody?
Yeah, I want to see what happens here. That guy's gotta be shot. And he out there down at I guess.
I know they're not doing it.
His buddy was supposed to do it.
Look at his arm; it's all burned.
They've almost got it out.
Huh?
They've almost got it out.
Yeah.
Still, no news crews here.
God, you should have seen that thing. It hit down there where the fire started, and it rolled all the way across the top of that guardrail.
You guys are traveling north?
Yeah, he was going fast, and the traffic was all in a stop.
So how did he get out of control? You know?
Yeah, he tried to hit the bridge.
Stand so because construction barrier.
Yeah.
Well,
no,
stand so because the construction
here. I was the car right in front of him.
Because it's like that when I came in this morning.
Yeah. When he lost it, he go up on top of it.
Oh, here we go. Here comes Careflight.
They're going to Careflight that thing.
Yeah.
Well, where are they going to land?
Yeah.
I got 1 gig in this recording.
This camera, this phone is unbelievable. Take some good pictures.
You won't be able to say it. They're good until you get in the shade.
No, it's.
I'm just now